guys, welcome back to Mad DIY. It's your boy Dave. Today we're going to see if the alcohol breathalyzers that you get from the gas station for $3 really works. So as you see, I went out to a little get together today. I had a few beers, had a few more here, some good stuff. So I'm going to take this one here, and also my younger brother, he's in the building. Alright, here we have Sean. Now Sean had a couple beers as well, actually a beer and a half. So we want to see if this is going to do the trick. Will this really save your life? Is it worth picking it up for your loved ones? So we'll go ahead and check it out. Are you legal to drive? Alcohol breathalyzer. One easy single-use test, 99.9% accurate. Police plus military grade, world's #1 selling. So let's see if it works. So inside you got your little test strip there. Get a little manual. Before using, wait 15 minutes after your last alcohol intake. Do not smoke during the test as it could alter the reaction. The maximum level of alcohol in the blood is reached about 1 hour after the last intake of alcohol. So to use it, just squeeze this together until it pops. Blow in the blue arrows until the red disappears and you have your results. And something else that Sean just pointed out, when you blow into it, you'll see green here. So if green goes above the black line, you fail. If you can keep it below, you're okay to drive.
Yeah.
Oh, do we?
No,
I don't think you do. I think you're just blowing it.
No, you guys got the cap on still.
Okay. For real? Did you guys do it right?
There's nothing filling up. I feel my breath inside the tube.
With the red going away, right?
No, your red stays there. You're more than I am. I'm looking clear, you're not. So it did work. His whole thing turned green.
So we were debating whether or not if it was working. I mean, you're sitting here blowing, you're about to pass out, but that's the red there. So on Sean's there, as you see, his is still red. Mine is a little bit faded because of the green. Of course, my green is way over. So it does work. For a couple bucks, you can save a life. So there you have it. Sean can drive, your boy can't drive. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's your boy Dave, Mad DIY, signing out. Till next time, peace.